Welcome to the Boat Show. I'm Bill Hackett. Today we're bringing you a beautiful boat. It's the Marex 360 Cabriolet Cruiser. Step on board with me and let me show you around. When you step on board this boat, the first thing you're going to notice is the generous amount of teak all over this boat. It really sets it apart from anything else in its class. This boat is 36 feet long. It's got 11 feet, 5 inches of beam, and it holds 198 gallons of fuel. This beautiful teak platform you can also outfit with davits, so if you want to put a tender up here, you can. And check out the height of this rear-facing seat. We have plenty of storage down below. On the port side, we have a boarding ladder, and then we have a transom door so we can access the center of the boat into the cockpit, nice and smooth. I wasn't lying about this beautiful teak. Look at this table. Of course, it folds in, so you can convert it from a dining table to a cocktail table if you so choose. Here in the back, I can feel comfortable with 8 or 9 guests back here comfortably. We can dine out al fresco, and that's because there's two sunroofs overhead. Over the course of time, a lot of the electric sunroofs had a tendency to break. So these have 2 foldable manual sunroofs, and you can set it to any position. Very sharp idea. So the fabric all over this boat is Alcantara. So if you get a chicken wing on here, it's gonna clean right up. Very comfortable, and the bolsters here are built in, and we have storage underneath. Really smart design. A lovely feature of this boat is the windscreen door. So this windscreen, we can button the boat up nice and easy, and it gets tucked away right behind this door. Easy peasy, lemon squeezy. A very unique galley setup on this 360 Cabriolet Cruiser, because we have 2 inductive burners on here, a microwave, and we have 2 refrigeration units, and then another one just behind the helm seat. But what's really smart about this is it really is a home setup with the tabletop in here, which we can fill in, and it also swings out of the way like a snap. Everybody can enjoy the cruising experience on this boat because we have a dual couch on the port side. We also have access up to the bow through the windshield if you choose. Very comfortable ride, very smart design. Everybody will enjoy the ride.
This comes tricked out with twin Volvo Penta D4s. Those are 320 horsepower apiece with DPI advanced drive stern drives. Then we have our Volvo Penta joystick, so we can get in and out of any situation, or we can actually hold it on station if we choose. Then we have our power unit controls right here, and we have great visibility up here, single seat. And then when I put my hand on the wheel, in addition to the bow thruster I have here and twin Garmin arrays, I also have analog dials here. So I can have all my telemetry old school, or I can pull it up on the Garmin unit, and I can have both if you so wish. I prefer this when I'm cruising. It's like a classic style.
So she goes 24 knots at cruising speed, and she tops out at 36 knots. It's also equipped with quick gyro stabilization, so you have a nice even ride on a rough day. We also have an enhanced comfort ride via the Zipway. When you step down below, you can cruise this thing for a long time because both cabins, aft and forward, have plenty of storage. The V-berth up here, storage forward, love the teak floors, love the teak doors and glass windows. And then the shared head is beautiful, separate shower, and again, beautifully detailed. The hardware all over this boat are great. Even in the aft cabin, which is full berth, plenty of space, actually plenty of height for this type of cabin, and a lot of storage. So you can go on a nice long cruise of this boat and be very comfortable. Safety is the #1 feature on any boat. There's tons of grab rails getting up here, plenty of room to get up to the bow. Kids are safe going on here. And then when you get up here, relax in the sun. Check out the lounger up here with teak accents to boot. Then we have easy access to the windlass. So the hull is infused, and it's a planing hull. The boat's designed in Norway, built in Lithuania. It's gonna cut through the water like nothing. And then the finishes on this boat are absolutely spectacular, from the upholstery, and what I love most about this boat, in addition to the sunroofs, is the teak. Absolutely love it. What you should do is get behind the wheel, take her for a nice little sea trial, and see what this boat is all about.